How to manage your Dashlane family plan. Managing a Dashlane friends and family plan is done through a central dashboard in your web app. So what you want to do is, first thing first, the friends and a family dashboard is a hub for all administrative tasks, right? So what you need is log into your Dashlane on your web browser or on a web app. So once you open up the web app or logged into your Dashlane, you just need to go ahead and open the Vault menu in the top left corner of the screen. Underneath, you want to go ahead and select Settings. Then you want to choose Friends and Family Dashboard. Now, this dashboard is only visible to the plan manager and not available on mobile app as well. So you have to use the web version of it. Next, you could go ahead and manage your subscriptions, all that, or manage your family plan and all that. And you, in the dashboard, you could copy the invitation link and send it to your friend's family. And invitee must use this link to join or create an account as well. And if you want to remove member, you could simply locate the member's email in the dashboard and select the trash icon. You can also reset the invitation link to prevent them from rejoining with the link or with the old link as well. And this way, you're supposed to manage your Dashlane family plan. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.